Ladies and gentlemen, you're all welcome to Afripa.
It's a group that believes that your word,
my word,
our words
can change Africa.
Dear viewers, now we'll divert your attention to Nuga, who will bring us on what Afripa is all about.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. AfriPal is a group that fights social ills in our society. That is why in our subsequent edition we will be talking about sex education, taking into consideration that sex education has been abandoned in our African society for centuries, where many people do not want to talk about sex. They consider sex to be a forbidden zone. They prefer that sex should be discovered rather than discussed. And even when children start seeing changes in them, they find it difficult to discuss it. Children grow ignorantly in matter of sexuality. I bring it back to you. Should sex education be taught in schools? Should sex education be discussed in the various homes? Then this question will be answered in our subsequent edition. Stay tuned. Don't go away. AfriPal has come to stay.